Hi guys, welcome everyone to this video. Today in this video we are going to fix all the Bluetooth headphones connectivity issues, as well as the Bluetooth audio is not good. When you are hearing in your phone, you will be hearing very good sound, but when you are connected to your PC using the Bluetooth, your audio will be not good as much good as in your phone. So another thing, your Bluetooth headphones are not recognized by your PC. These are the issues we are going to fix in this video. This is a series of videos of how to fix it. So if you do end up liking this video, please consider subscribing for the channel. The most common issues we are facing is the Bluetooth is not able, you are not able to remove your Bluetooth device, and most probably you are not able to connect your new device to the Bluetooth services. This is the most common issue with most of the USB dongle which I purchased on Amazon. So what I did is, like, I purchased the CSR version of the Bluetooth dongle and enter Bluetooth dongle 5.0 and everything I purchased, and finally nothing is good as much as the TP-Link. Like, finally I purchased this one. This is the TP-Link product which I got for nearly 400 rupees. So this is the best one you need to purchase, and it is giving a 1-year warranty. So you can purchase this one because it is having the same issues as the other Bluetooth device, but the thing is, like, you can immediately plug and unplug your device, and it automatically detects when your Bluetooth is turned on, and other features are working fine. And most importantly, you can connect up to multiple devices with the Bluetooth device. Like other Bluetooth device, I am able to connect only one device. If I connected the controller, I am not able to connect my headphones. If my headphones is connected, controller is having the latency issues. So this is the best one you need to purchase. So Best Buy links will be in the description, so do check it out. Okay, let's get in the issues. The first issue we are going to fix is the Bluetooth is not recognized, or Bluetooth is paired but not able to connect to the Bluetooth devices. This is the first issue we are going to fix. The first issue is because already your device might be connected to the system by some other Bluetooth devices, and your device gone out, or your device is not recognized or something, so it will be a mismatch. So what we are going to do is, like, we are going to disable or delete all the previous versions of the connected device. So what we need to do is, like, just right click on this one and open settings, and you can see my Bluetooth device is connected. When I click on remove device and click giving yes, my Bluetooth device is working fine, so it will remove my device. But in your case, it won't be removed. It will be showing the pop-up like it is not able to remove the device or something like that. So at this case, what you need to do is, like, go to the device manager, go to the Bluetooth, and here you can see some of the devices which are connected to the Bluetooth devices. You can go to the view and click on show hidden devices. So here some other options are shown, but for me there is no hidden devices are there. Everything is visible. So if you have some of the hidden devices, which will be little bit brightness will be little bit lower than the other one, so you can click on those things and right click and click on uninstall device. Like, you can give all those things, like whichever your headphone is not working, click on those things. And for me it is Boat Rockers. Boat Rockers is not working for me, so I'm clicking on this one, uninstall device, and uninstall device. Here all the Boat Rockers you are seeing, just uninstall those things. Here you can see there is no Boat Rockers available. Now just close this, and here you can see the device got removed. This is the first issue most probably everyone will be facing. So don't forget to view and show hidden options. So for me it is working fine, there is no hidden options, but in your case there might be multiple hidden options will be there. So please make sure to uninstall all those things. Once your device is connected to the PC, you need to check two options. Like, first one, you are connected with both the voice and music. This is a very important step. If you are connected with only voice, you can't hear any audio. Like, you can do the connecting, the first step repeatedly, like try to connect it, and if you are not able to see your music option enabled, just try to uninstall all the drivers and again disconnect your Bluetooth device and try to connect it again and try to reconnect your headphone. So this will fix your problem. Now I am able to pair my headphones with the PC. So the next step is, like, you can see here the three options will be popped up. One is my monitor output. This is not the headphone, and two other options will be there: headphone, stereo one, and the hands-free AG audio. This is the two option you can see. The first one, stereo, is the best audio quality one, and second one is the one which you need to use when you are using your microphone. So this is the issue with the headphones. When you are connecting with your phone, it will be working fine, but when you are connecting with the PC, the thing is like you need to switch between these things. Like when you want to hear a high quality audio, you need to sacrifice your mic. Like you don't want to use your mic, then only you can use this audio. But by default, whenever you are turning on any of the game or like any of the editing software, by default the microphone symbol will be appear here like this. So whenever the symbol appears here, it will be by default. If you are having any other microphone connected to a system, it will be used. Otherwise it will try to connect with this microphone and it will not allow your headphone to use the stereo mode. So by default my mic is using, I can show you here. Whenever I'm going to sounds, I'm playing some of the NCS music for you. Okay, this is the test one. Now I can't hear anything, like, right? You can't hear anything. So this is because I'm turning on the sounds, and here you can see my mic is like blinking. So this is the issue. So your mic is working fine, but the thing is like your audio is not working. This is the issue you might be facing. This is because I'm selected the stereo mode. When as soon as I didn't use this mic, you can hear to this audio, right? And immediately whenever I'm switching to this one, you can't hear the audio. This is the secret. Okay, now what is the problem? Okay, whenever you are using your microphone of this headphone, you need to switch to the hands-free audio FG. Okay, I switched to this one. So here you can see you can't hear anything, right? It is a very poor audio quality. So whenever I'm immediately switching to this, you can hear everything, the bass, everything is there. Okay, this is the problem. By default both will be there. By default, if you are using your microphone, your things will be switched to here, so that you will be getting the microphone working and with the sacrifice of the audio. So your audio quality won't be that much good if you are using both the microphone and the headphones. So once you got your music enabled, if your voice is also enabled, you need to here take a decision. What the decision is, one is like you don't want to use your built-in microphone for a better audio, or you can use your built-in microphone with a poor audio. This is a decision you need to make. This is because here you can see here the stereo is enabled, and as far as the hand-free AG is enabled. If you want to get a high quality sound, the stereo option should be enabled. Then only it will produce a high quality stereo sound for your headphones. So if you are selecting the stereo options, your mic should other apps. Like consider if you are playing a game or you are doing some video editing or some video creation, at the time your mic will be used by that device. Now you can see here the two apps are using your microphone. For me it is different case. Like you can see here, I am using both the microphone, like this is my external microphone and this is my headset. So what you can do is like you can buy an external microphone and set it up, and you just can listen to that as a primary device. This is my default device, so it won't be used by my game or any editing softwares. So this mic will be used by all other devices, and this mic should be disabled. So then only you can hear a high quality sound using the stereo mode. So if you don't have any external microphone, what you need to do is like you need to switch this stereo option to the hands-free AG. So what it will do is like it will use the hands-free AG as the output device for your audio, but the audio quality won't be that much good, but anyway you can hear something. But another thing is like your microphone will be working. So this is the two options you need to consider. So you are ready to sacrifice your microphone, do this one. Go to the control panel, and here you can see device and printers, and here you need to right click on this one, properties, and go to the services tab. Services, you can see these many options are there. And one more thing, if you are using your headphone built-in microphone, you will be facing a lot of latency issues. So poor audio will be there, latency also will be there. It is not good for gaming. It is just for using the call, like Skype call you are using or anything you are using, it is fine to use. But on the purpose of gaming, you don't want to use this. What I'm suggesting is like you can get some very good microphone under 130 rupees or 900, 500 rupees or any price range. Connect it with your system wired and plug it in your collar, so you can use your mic, and you can just disable this hands-free telephony and click on apply and click on OK. So what it will do is like it will disable that option. Only stereo will be available. Now whenever you are going to right click sounds, now in the recording you can't see any of my microphone from the Bluetooth headphone. The Bluetooth headphone microphone is not listed. What it will be doing is like it will be providing the high quality audio to your headphone. So this is the two common issues which is not explained by any of the YouTubers. So this is the one we figured it out. So if you find this video helpful, do consider subscribing for this channel and turn on the notifications. You will be getting more fixes. If this video not resolved with issues relating to Bluetooth headphones, please comment this. So I will be making another video for you specially. Okay, bye guys, let's meet in the next video.